After 7 years of coding and trying out a variety of editors, from Code, Blocks and Dreamweaver to Vim, NeoVim, and the ever-popular VS Code, I thought I'd seen it all. But recently, my workflow was completely transformed by a new tool, Zed. In a world flooded with AI-powered editors like Cursor and Claude, Zed stands out for its speed and efficiency. Within just a week, it became my default editor for everything. In this video, I'll share why Zed is different, how it's changing the game for developers, and what it could mean for the future of code editing. Before Zed, my workflow was scattered across Notepad++, NeoVim, Gedit, and VS Code, depending on the project and system. Each editor had its strengths, but none felt truly seamless. Zed changed that. It's as fast and lightweight as Notepad++, yet it packs in most of the critical features I relied on in VS Code. For the first time, I felt like I wasn't sacrificing speed for functionality. Zed's interface is clean and distraction-free, making it a joy to use whether I'm working on quick edits or large projects. So, what exactly is Zed? Zed is an open-source, high-performance code editor built entirely in Rust. The team behind Zed includes the original creators of Atom, and this time, they've focused on building something lean, modern, and incredibly fast. Zed offers a minimal UI, GPU-accelerated rendering, real-time collaboration, smart native autocomplete, and seamless AI integrations. It supports macOS, Linux, and stable Windows releases. And best of all, the core editor is free, with no subscriptions required. Most popular editors like VS Code, Cursor, and Claude are built on Electron, which essentially means they're running a full Chromium browser under the hood. This setup allows for cross-platform compatibility and endless extensions, but it comes at a cost: performance. Electron-based editors use a lot of RAM, have slower startup times, and can lag when handling large files or many extensions. If you've ever noticed your editor stuttering or freezing, Electron is likely the culprit. Electron editors like VS Code simulate a full browser inside your code editor. Every UI element is rendered using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which means the editor is constantly managing a complex web environment. This leads to high resource consumption, slower typing response, and performance issues, especially in large codebases. Even with improvements, Electron's inherent heaviness is hard to escape, making it less ideal for developers who prioritize speed and efficiency. Zed takes a completely different approach. It's a native GPU-accelerated editor written in Rust, with no browser engine, no DOM, and no HTML layouts. Instead, Zed communicates directly with your GPU and CPU, delivering a much smoother and faster experience. This means scrolling, typing, and cursor movement feel instant, even with massive files. The difference is immediately noticeable, especially if you're used to Electron-based editors. One of Zed's standout features is its GPU-accelerated text rendering. By using GPU shaders, the same technology used in video games, Zed can draw text and interface elements incredibly fast. In contrast, VS Code relies on the DOM for rendering, which slows down as files get larger. With Zed, even files with tens of thousands of lines remain responsive, making it ideal for developers working on big projects. Rust is at the heart of Zed's performance. Unlike JavaScript, which runs inside a browser engine, Rust compiles directly to machine code. This allows Zed to offer faster autocomplete, lower RAM usage, and instant response to keystrokes. All core operations, from editing to syntax analysis, run without the overhead of a browser, resulting in a snappy and efficient coding experience. Zed leverages Rust's multi-threading capabilities to the fullest. It uses all available CPU cores to index projects, analyze syntax, update language server outputs, and manage undo, redo history. This parallelism ensures that even complex tasks don't slow down your workflow. In contrast, VS Code is limited by JavaScript's single-threaded execution, which can become a bottleneck as projects grow. Another major win for Zed is its resource efficiency. While VS Code, Cursor, and Claude can easily consume close to or over a gigabyte of RAM, Zed typically uses just 200 to 350 megabytes, even when idle. This lower resource usage is noticeable, especially on high-end machines, and means your system stays responsive even with multiple projects open. Zed's startup time is almost instantaneous. On my machine, it even beats Notepad++, which is known for its speed. VS Code might feel fast, but once you experience Zed's instant launch and editing, it's hard to go back. This quick startup means you can jump into coding without any delays, keeping your momentum going. Zed makes AI integration simple and flexible. You can choose your preferred AI provider Claude, Gemini, OpenAI, or even a custom local model. Setting up is straightforward. Just paste your API key in the settings, and you're ready to use AI-powered features like inline edits and large context tasks. This freedom lets you tailor your coding environment to your needs, without being locked into a single AI ecosystem. Even without AI, Zed's autocomplete is impressive. It uses tree-sitter parsing, LSP intelligence, and local code analysis to deliver suggestions with sub-20 milliseconds latency. The result is an autocomplete system that feels intuitive and responsive, almost like it's reading your mind. When you add AI on top, the suggestions become even more powerful, making coding faster and more enjoyable. After weeks of real-world use, Zed's speed, reliability, and flexibility won me over. There's no lag, no stutters, and no interruptions to my workflow. The UI is clean and calming, and the collaborative features are a bonus. Zed is fully open source, so there's no vendor lock-in or hidden surprises. While it's still new and some features are being developed, the core experience is already outstanding. No tool is perfect, and Zed is no exception. Its extension ecosystem is smaller than VS Code's, and there's no full debugger yet, though some features are available via LSP. UI settings are mostly JSON configured, and Windows support is still catching up to macOS and Linux. You might miss certain VS Code plugins, but for most developers, these aren't deal breakers. It's important to weigh these factors before making the switch. If your current editor feels slow, heavy, laggy, or cluttered, or if you want more freedom with AI integrations, Zed is definitely worth a try. However, if you're deeply invested in VS Code's plugin ecosystem and don't mind Electron's resource usage, you might prefer to stay. Even if Zed doesn't fit your workflow right now, it's a breath of fresh air for anyone passionate about programming and writing. Zed's development team is pushing the boundaries of what a modern code editor can be. While it's still evolving, Zed has already set a new benchmark for speed and usability. As more features are added and the ecosystem grows, it could become the go-to editor for developers everywhere. For now, it's an exciting glimpse into the future of coding tools.